Yes, this is all it's going to be. This is just a bird's eye view to let people see while we're doing this, live competition. We're not particularly doing anything up front with chat, just letting them see as we're giving away a PC through a Galaga and a little tournament. We won't be interacting too much. I've got my mic here, but let's see how it goes. All right, we have the leaderboard is being updated. We now have our first and second place. Let's see how long they stay there. Going first, they're the target to beat. For Xander, we have a total of 30,640. For Sean, we have a total of 20,580. We got Zach behind moderating Zach. It's Zach on Zach action. Some Zaction. Yeah, we need Zach's cube. Is what we need. Zach cube will make the.
Get it.
Oh, he's about to beat my score. Oh, he's gonna beat it. He got a minute left. About.
Oh, after this.
Be ready to take the, or it's actually he.
Yep.
Be ready to take the score here. I've got about 30 seconds. I'm going to count down to 10 seconds. At 10 seconds, let go and tell me the final score.
Alrighty.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up?
68,270.
68,270. Yeah, that was really good.
See, it was the other way around. I didn't okay.
I got slaughtered. But Asteroid just.
Well, actually, we'll keep number one score. So you've got in first place now is Zach with an H, and he's got a score of 74,190.
74,000 what?
190. In second place is now Xander with 30,640. In third place is Sean with 20,580. All right, this is the next round. We've got Jordan coming in knowing the double ship strategy. High chance this puts him in the top 3 minimum if he can perform at the level that I'm expecting from him. All right, then we got Travis. Travis has an essential trainer. We'll see how he does. Jordan is a gamer. We've heard it here first from Zach. Hit start or first. Okay, I didn't set it up for you. Sorry, I was gonna be.
Let's just start spamming stuff. Oh.
All right, count down. Hitting up buttons. It's all button mashing for a reason. These scrubs.
2, 1, go.
Clearly, the guy on the right is not a gamer. It took too long for him to find out how to start the game up. So I'm not trying to insult him, but if I lived with him, I'd hate him. All right, I would say if you're watching this right now, keep an eye on that Galaga machine. We're looking for 2 ships to pop up. I'm expecting great things from Jordan here. I'm not trying to put the pressure on blast, but I am trying to see him kick some ass.
There it is, McAllister.
There it is. Hey, all right, we've got the beginning of greatness. This is the earliest I've seen the double ship method employed. All right, if he can successfully capture the ship, get it back, and hold this through to the bonus round, he could be in a real nice place. He's taking it real careful. Calculated shots. I saw that. Now, Jordan is close to making it to the next bonus round. I think if he clears this stage, he's on it. And if he's on that, there's a chance to get 10,000 more points and bump his score really fast. Because currently our high score in Galaga alone was 68,000. He is already second place for Galaga scores overall. And his Asteroids gameplay could determine whether he goes into first place or not. I'm not trying to put pressure on him, but I am going to say it loud enough he can hear me. This guy came in, and you should have heard him. He was talking mad shit. He said something on the lines of that guy in first place. He's just trash. That's what he said. His words, not mine. I hate to be the bearer of bad news here. No.
Yes.
He said that about Noah, but for the sake of rivalry and a great story, the miracle on board we've got going on over here. Maybe he can come back. Maybe he won't die again. He dies to a B like an absolute scrub. 17,470.
17,470.
It's all right, guys. He's won a free computer before. He doesn't need another one. And then you can erase all the bottom ones. I'll just say the order because I think it's going to move down. It's going to go Steve, Xander, Travis, Sean, Harley. I think we probably just keep to the top 3, and I can announce those scores later if you want to, or I can do. Yeah, let's just stick to the top 3 because that's what you want to be. Alrighty.
I mean, they're still there.
If you want to know where you are at any point, you can come over to me. I've got a running scoreboard that calculate. So if you really want to know where you are and below, if you're below bottom 3, I'll let you know.
Don't worry, chat. I'm bringing in the expert commentator right now, McAllister. He's going to take over and give you the best commentation possible. All right. Would you say he's coming?
You kept the seat warm for me, like really warm. Like you got some hot cheeks there, buddy. And I'm not talking about the one with the seat.
I just shot myself.
All right, Gallagher's done, and we got
4th, 5th,
23,
6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. All right, chat. You got McAllister back in the mic seat. Let me see, is the thing still live and transmitting? Can I check? Hello, hello. Yep, it is. Jackson disappeared. Someone help. I meant the guy. We're trying to find it. Where you are? Steve, you are in 5th place. All right, so it looks like it's been the same top 3 for about like an hour or 2 now. So we're doing pretty good on that. So no change. We need some real gamers step up real quick. Who is not gone? No, get out of here. Hey. All right. Do we have anyone else who wants to play right now? I need 2 contenders.
All right.
This is. I didn't get a tutorial.
I'm gonna count down.
I didn't get a tutorial. All right, let's do this.
On 1, 3, 2, 1, start.
What? 1 start on 1? What do you mean, buddy? 3, 2, 1. You gotta hit him with your ship. You gotta run your ship into the big orb.
I don't even remember this.
Just aim for him and run at him.
Eventually.
do I get more last? Yeah, I think it's 3. Okay, I'm on my 3rd. You're already doing better than him.
Between the 2 games.
So, yeah, just try not to die and get a good score.
McAllister's dad is also a veteran at this. He is well versed in the ways of Galaga. Some might say he passed on all his knowledge to McAllister when he was a wee lad.
I was like,
Quick. 1780.
1780 after. Those are some rookie numbers from McAllister right there. Just yoink it off.
He's going hard.
So secretly, Zach has rigged this whole competition, and he actually is making it so that Kenna, when she competes, is gonna win.
Zach's actually not even real. He's
Little
kind of
guy's
just a figment of everyone's imagination. He's kind of just
For real.
not even there. He's not real.
so we're
70 and 20. That's
not too bad. Actually, I think that is
Zach is the real toaster.
Did you really?
Like Jackson and Matt work for him.
Are you kidding me? If somebody must have reset it to 0.
well, not that many people have played on it.
The reason he doesn't show himself on camera much is
That's how the
because he's a
game was
vampire.
expected to do it on.
So, MC Dad is past Bob now and took the 5th place spot by a whopping 1,000 points.
I'll wait until they get to the day to show up.
It's a wrist rest to make when your hand not hurt when you're at your computer.
Oh, that's something I can do.
McAllister's dad got 5th place. I know, I heard. Matt, and he doesn't even want to do the honors.
Do you have anything you want to say to chat?
I would like to thank my friends that drove me here. I would also like my friends that live here. And then on top of that, I'd like to thank my mom for all those hours she let me play video games.
It's a good award ceremony.
That's where she messed up.